Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is the former Wendy's in Martinez on Alhambra Boulevard. And for some reason, it closed down, and then that's a collector's bookstore that nobody ever goes into, and there's the Shell with the over $4 a gallon gas, and the Safeway. Oh, how cute. And little cute doggies. And then this became a Zoom, and nobody wanted to go into the Zoom, and it died after a month. So I just want to show you people the former Wendy's you've seen on videos before. Alright, I'm heading home with my groceries. Oh, so cute. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.